question 13 wants us to find f composed with f and g composed with g. So f composed with f of x, you're just taking the f function and plugging in a copy of itself. So we're going to start out with x squared, but leave an open parentheses where we see the x, and you're plugging in another x squared there. And if you simplify this x squared squared, the power to power, the exponents multiply, so it'll be x to the fourth. With g composed with g of x, you're just taking a copy of the g function and plugging it in. So if I have that, this is x plus 1, but leaving an open parenthesis for the x, and then plugging in an x plus 1. So that would be x plus 2.